So back-to-back videos, Master R&I himself is struggling on a taillight. Make that the intro of the video, calling him out. So we got a little toughness going on right here, mostly the clip on the side. I learned this trick a while back and I'm gonna show you how to do it. What? First thing first, you have to have super strong duct tape. The weak duct tape does not work. Luckily, as we were talking, William prepped the panel for me, so it should be nice and clean so we could get a nice adhesion stick. I'm probably gonna do like 2 or 3, just little layers of duct tape right here. The key is we want a nice little pull area surface, so when we pull it, it pops this clip out. Yeah. So now we got some good duct tape, good adhesion. The key is a good pull this way, and hopefully it gives on the first try so I don't look like a doofus. Well.
You got another trick? I was gonna say you could be right about the screw.
Try this again. There we go, we're gonna try all of our tricks. All right, for the camera, work for me.
Nice.
Bam. Duct tape for the win. It's the problem is these clips don't like to give right here. So when I first had the duct tape, I just had it right here in the middle where I needed to be more where the clip was itself. Tips and tricks from Just A Dent themselves. You're welcome. Donate $5 for free education, subscribe, like the button, leave a comment what we did wrong because we love it when you talk shit. The person that talks the most shit on the comment, I'm gonna do a limited edition t-shirt sold on my merch that can only be bought for 15 days, and then I'm also gonna wear it in one video to showcase how dumb you are. So, I love starting off everything with a good sew. What we're doing right now is we're just, Hector started this hail car, almost finished it up yesterday, but we sold that hail car over there as a package deal for Hector to touch. So I'm just gonna come through, finish up this hail car that he says supposedly there's only 2 dents left on this hood. I'm already seeing 2 dents on here, just right here where the light's at. So I'm gonna guess it's probably like 5 to 10 rather than 2. Well, as I was looking at it, I could see that there was a weird line which shows me that there was a little, there used to be PPF on the front of this thing or something weird, but regardless, customer didn't see it, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so let's finish these dents up. Actually, I'm gonna count them real quick. We got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, ooh, 12. All right, now let's ask Hector how many dents he left on this thing. As we guessed, there was more than 2. I counted 12. 12. 1, 2 just right there. Yeah. There's one right there. 3, 10, 11, 12,
I had somebody come.
18.
You already counted those ones.
They did right here.
Yeah, so from this line.
Yeah, they painted something right here and they did a hard line. You know, but paint is superior to PDR. But you got paint shops doing this kind of stuff. Tis. I'm looking at you in the camera right now. Cheap. All right, I can keep talking shit about this guy's paint work, or I can get to work. So I'm gonna get to work.
It says it vitalizes body and mind. Pretty strong.
So the drink of choice is this. Don't judge. Yeah, I'm a horrible reader. So we got the Regine Storm, Clean Energy, Harvest Grape. Your boy loves some grape flavored stuff. This, what it does is it accelerates metabolism, improves focus, plant-based energy, so that's good for you. Vegan friendly, hair and skin health, you know, because your boy needs hair health over here. So, sounds clean to me. let's give it a shot. Okay, I finished this hood up. We put it back on. Gaps look great on it. Now we're gonna do the final step. And the final step of every vehicle that we do is called QC, and that stands for quality check. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my board over it. We're just gonna look over every panel to make sure everything looks nice and tight, and we'll get this thing out the door and move on to the next car. So I have this glue gun that I bought off of Amazon about roughly 4 months ago, and there was a couple of things that came up in the comments that I want to talk about because I did run into the issues, and I want to help you out if you actually have this glue gun. One guy said that his glue gun kept turning off after 5 minutes. Let me put this on my... God dang, man. I'll get there eventually, guys, don't worry. All right, what I did notice is over a period of time, actually the connections right here get dirty. And that's from this area. So whenever it got really black in the connections area over here, it kept getting an error code and it would turn off on me in like 3 to 5 minutes. All I did was take some rubbing alcohol, I cleaned it off, and it started working correct again. So if you're having an issue of this turning off and not staying on for long periods of time, check your connections. They're probably dirty on both sides. So then it will start working properly again. There's a correct temperature to use the glue at. I was messing with the temperatures just to try to dial it in to figure out where my favorite temp was. I started at 380, and what I started noticing is that whenever I was squirting the glue out, I was getting a lot of bubbles, a lot of air pockets on top of my glue tab. And when that happens, you're not getting a good bond whenever you're trying to glue pull because of the pockets of air. So I started dialing it down to try to find that sweet spot. And I found a good sweet spot at 350. It lays a good bead. There's no bubbles or anything, and it just seems like a good temperature to work at. So now that you're working at 350 and at 380, you'll get a longer lifetime out of your battery. And if it's turning off, clean your connections, and a really solid gun for 39 bucks. And you can find it on Amazon.
Oh, hell, you talk. $20 winner on the first one. You spent 60, so we'll see how much comes out. Not a winner. Not a winner. If it goes, it's gonna come out. The thing twice.
It's not that hard to...
So if you want to check my dent out, I like the camaraderie of the band selection. Today is July 23rd, and you have been with us all day. And since you've been with us all day, you have now seen that we did, well, we didn't finish all 4 hail cars, but we finished 2 hail cars, 3 hail cars, a bumper job, a walk-in, a motorcycle tank, a mobile job, and a motorcycle tank again. All in a day's work with you on this fine Wednesday. So I want to say thank you for watching, and we out! Goodbye!
Goodbye!
Bye.
Goodbye! Get out of here, go! Leave!